The city of Parañaque, in Filipino, lungsod ng Parañaque, is bordered to the north by Pasay, to the northeast by Taguig, to the southeast by Muntinlupa, to the southwest by Las Piñas, and to the west by Manila Bay. According to the history, the name Parañaque is derived from the phrase Paranaque, which was commonly used in the past when people wished to disembark from calesas or horse carriages. The phrase literally means "stop now, boy." Para from the Spanish parar means to stop. Na from the Tagalog word for now or already. And ake from the Tagalog word for boy or lalaki. An alternative meaning of Parañaque could be "stop here," with ake being derived from the Spanish aki, which means here. The phrase Paranaque was used so often that it eventually evolved into a term pertaining to a place, thus Parañaque. Parañaque was officially founded in 1572 by the Augustinian missionaries from Spain. Early records began in 1580 when Father Diego de Espinar, an Augustinian missionary, was appointed in the town. As resident priest, he established the mission house there, with a spiritual jurisdiction reaching up to Kawit in the province of Cavite. The Council of the Definitors, a conference of chiefs of the religious orders, held on 11th of May 1580. They accepted Parañaque as Parañaque was then known as an independent town. The image of Parañaque's patroness, Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso, was brought to St. Andrew's Church in La Huerta in 1580. Nuestra Señora del Buen Suceso is the third oldest Marian image in the Philippines. In 1574, during the invasion of the town by the Chinese pirate Lima Hong, Paraqueños, particularly those from Barangay Don Galo, heroically aided in preventing the attack in Manila. This incident became known as the Red Sea Incident, due to the blood that flowed through the sacrifice of the people. Another example of Parañaque's landmark is the Fisherman's Wharves, found alongside of Barangay La Huerta, where different fishing villages can be found. Here, various fish are sold at cheap and affordable prices. Many seafood restaurants are also found near the Fisherman's Wharves, where customers can handpick the seafood they wish to cook and eat. Another landmark famous for its different seafood restaurants and its own seafood market can also be seen near the Fisherman's Wharves. This is no other than Dampa.
ay nagsimula lamang sa isang pamilihan noong 1980s. Hanggang sa ngayon, lumalago ito at mahigit kumulang 22 restaurants na ang nakapaligid dito. Kaya naman talagang dinarayo ito ng mga iba't ibang tao para matikman ng ang pagkain. Talaga namang priority ang mga customer dito dahil talagang pagsisilbihan kanila na maaaring sila na ang bumili ng pagkain pipiliin. Mga alimango daw po may mga kaparian. So, paano po malalaman kung ano ba ito ng babae?
Yung lalaki. Alimango kuya, yung bakla. Kuya, baka mag-aalim ang babae bakla. Yung bakla.
Paano po masasabi sa bakla?
Wala nga ni siya. Ito yung babae malapad na malapad. Yung lalaki matulog.
So, pare-pareho lang din ba?
Ano ba yung ano ba kasi puro alimango? Ito puro lang. Yung babae, ay yung lalaki tsaka bakla parehas malapad.
So, masarap po kung
Ano naman, depende lang kung hindi ka na-confident ako.
ano po yung mga luto na maaaring gamitin ng bala?
Oyster sauce, ito, chili garlic, butter, deep fry.
Ito, ang dami yung natuto, nauubos na po sa mga araw. Okay, mga natitira po. Anong ginagawa niyo po sa mga?
Wala, nakaganyan lang.
Binibenta po ulit.
Buhay naman siya.
Ano po yung mga tinitira?
Taros, sa fish farm, sa laga, aluan.
Paano po malalaman kung fresh pa rin po yung tinitira?
Buhay, umagalaw.
Buhay pa rin po siya. Papatuloy na.
Depende.
Thank you po. Ilang taon na po kayo nagkakabaw dito sa Tampa? Matagal na po. Malakas ang ibig. Ano po? Magkano po ang bentakan nito?
Ang 350
Sa isang kilo?
sa kilo.
Ano po yung mga iba't ibang putahe na maaaring yung pagkakita lang?
Butter, at saka tempura, chili garlic, saka Services.
Dito po, magkapareho lang po.
Parehas ng Tiger din. Mas malaki siya.
Tiger lang po.
Ay, sobrang yan siya. Tiger.
Magkano na lang po?
Ayan,
Okay na po. Salamat. Matapos nating malibot ang kagandahan ng Tampa, ano pa bang hinihintay nyo? Tara na at tuklasan natin ang sarap ng pagkain dito sa Parañaque.
Thank